Are you chasing me? Hey, naked girl. What you doing?
Peace?
Yeah?
Peace?
How old are you gonna be? How old are you gonna be in a couple of weeks? Can you do it? 1. Are you gonna be so big? So big. All right. Well, I just wanted to tell you I love you.
Love you.
Okay, thanks. You said it back to me?
Love you. Love you.
All right. You want me to pick you up? I love you. I'll come pick you up.